Hello, my name is Hiroko Nishimura, and I'm an AWS community hero. I teach Introduction to AWS for non-engineers on LinkedIn Learning and specialize in deconstructing technical concepts by teaching in jargon-free, beginner-friendly language. I recently published AWS for non-engineers to help even more people from non-traditional technical backgrounds begin learning about cloud computing and Amazon Web Services. Perhaps you're in sales at a SaaS company and need to learn the jargon to communicate better with your engineering team and customers. Or you might be working in IT and hoping to move up in your career towards cloud engineering or DevOps. Or you might be interested in taking the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam but don't know where to start. Heck, you might even be a seasoned engineer looking to branch out into AWS and want to learn the lingo to start cracking. Whatever your reasons, AWS for non-engineers can help you learn cloud concepts, core AWS services, and cloud computing jargon. And you'll even be prepared to sit for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. You can check out AWS for non-engineers at manning.com, and I hope it'll help you dive into AWS Cloud.